Hey there, today we are looking at how to manage inventory code swaps between your accounting system and Xperdyte manufacturing software. Renaming items in your master records can disrupt production tracking, since materials are linked to active bills of materials and production runs. Xperdyte includes a built-in feature to detect these changes and align your data, preventing errors and ensuring consistency across platforms. Let's explore how this tool works. Let us start inside Xperdyte client, where we can see a bill of materials. Take a look at this item line, which uses a specific raw material stock code. Now let us say this stock code gets renamed inside your accounting system. If we go over to the Xperdyte server application and try to run a standard inventory synchronization, the system immediately flags this change. You will see an error message indicating that a code swap has been detected. When this happens, Xperdyte automatically pauses further data syncing for your inventory. This safety feature ensures that no records get mixed up until you explicitly tell the software how to handle the update. To resolve this code swap, we need to put the system into sole access mode. This ensures that no other users are making changes while we update the database links. In the Xperdyte server main window, click on the button labeled Enter Sole Access Mode. You might see a prompt asking to disconnect any currently active client sessions, so go ahead and confirm that action. Once the status updates, you are ready to proceed to the update utility. With Sole Access Mode active, look at the top toolbar and click on the Sync Master Files button. This opens a new dialog window with several utility options. Go ahead and click on the button for Inventory Code Swap. Before the main screen opens, a critical warning message will pop up. It reminds you to ensure you have a complete database backup before proceeding. Because this process modifies underlying data links, having a fresh backup is a vital safety step. Once you have confirmed your database backup is secure, click Yes to continue. Now we are looking at the Code Swap options screen. At the top, it clearly displays the original old code alongside the new code detected from your accounting system. Below that, you have 4 distinct options to choose from. Let us break them down so you can pick the best one for your situation. The first option is Swap Code. Selecting this means Xperdyte will scan your entire database and automatically replace the old code with the new one everywhere. This updates all your bills of materials, current production runs, and even historical works orders from years ago, making it seem like the old code never existed. The second option is Ignore Permanently. This keeps your existing Xperdyte records under the old code and treats the new code from your accounting system as a brand new, separate item. This is handy if an accidental index mismatch occurred in the background. The third option is Ignore Once. If you are unsure how to handle this specific change and need to investigate, this choice lets you bypass the code for now, so you can return to it later. However, the message will reappear during your next sync cycle. Finally, the last option is Cancel Process, which simply closes the screen without changing anything. For our example, we will select the first option to swap the code completely, and then click Continue. The process is complete. Restart the Xperdyte server and switch back over to the Xperdyte client application to see the results. We will open that exact same bill of materials we looked at earlier. If we check the Materials tab and find our item row, you will see that the stock code has successfully updated to the new designation. All associated costs and data links remain perfectly intact, meaning your material requirements for all future works orders will pull through flawlessly. That concludes our guide on managing inventory code updates while keeping your operational data pristine. Should you encounter a tricky code conflict or require assistance with our database tools, the Xperdyte support team is ready to assist. Please contact us at info@xperdyte.co.za for direct support. Be sure to explore our additional video tutorials for more insights into optimizing your manufacturing processes. Happy manufacturing!